Hey, it's Faye. I just woke up. Let's get ready before we film this Korean body standard haul on an average stubby stout body like mine. Oh my god. Look at my hair. It's pretty clear it needs to be washed and clarified. Honestly, the quality of my hair is on the verge of Chihuahua meets foot rag. It feels dry, but oily and itchy. It's in all the wrong places.
To fix this, I'm using Kitsch's Bottle-Free Beauty, the rice water shampoo and conditioner bundle. Thank God to Kitsch for partnering up with me because I know I need it. Couldn't pass this up because I've been needing help in this area major. Kitsch is a female-founded brand. Girls unite. They create high-quality, elevated accessories and wellness products that give flying ducks about your hair, morning, noon, and night. Thank you very much. These are shampoo conditioner bars that produces shinier, healthier, and softer hair after using it one time. Woo! It got a little steamy in here. You know what that means. Shampoo commercial, here I come. This is giving me all self-care energy right now. One bar lasts like 100 washes, which saves 2 bottles of your regular liquid products. Crafted from salon quality, active ingredients, it should improve your hair from root to tip. That's why they're known to help lessen hair breakage and hair loss over time. So be patient, Linda. Dude, also don't fall asleep in the shower because it's scented with therapeutic essential oils and it smells so good, so relaxing. Might as well ditch the plastic. Use the bars. They're Leaping Bunny certified, vegan, and cruelty free. You can trust that there's no sulfates, parabens, or phthalates.
I have such soft hair, nourished and moisturized. I half air dried and then I used the blow dryer at the end just to speed it up because time is scarce. I have very thin hair, so I'm really happy that my hair feels fluffy and soft. I really appreciate that my scalp doesn't feel itchy or oily anymore. Jeez, especially in the summer, my scalp goes haywire. This is nice. P.S. I want to brag about their satin pillowcase because I didn't know that it was less agitating on my hair, frizz-free, and on my face. Mind you, we all know that our skincare won't absorb into the satin, given our skin's gonna be super gentle overall, so we're not waking up wrinkly and sad. Trust me, I have days like that. Use the link in my description box and my code to get 25% off your first order. They ship in the US and internationally across 27 countries. Double whammy. Today is a lip hop K-style haul, and as we already know, Korea's body standards are super minuscule compared to America. And this is targeting all over Asia. We know this by now. Come on. We're just gonna do a lot of comparison on a model from Korea, which is like a downsize, versus a mid-size girl, size 8. Coming in strong. This piece is so cute, but ain't for me. I'm not wearing any shapewear. I'm literally putting this on my natural body. I have hope. Spoke too soon, huh? Yes. Girl! Just kidding. This is probably the right time to wear a Yeti Gorilla Grip. Ooh, the Fabrido. So soft. Yeah, Bunny, it might not be the best idea. We're going with Faye. Okay, let's just pretend. How does it look? How's it going? Hey. How are we feeling? Ooh. My thighs were shaking vigorously. I can't stop touching myself. I think it's pretty clear that our stomach is not like the models. My belly is hair. It's not going anywhere at this rate. That's fine. It keeps rolling up a little bit because I think I'm breathing. Okay, let's talk about the positives real fast before I drag myself. Earlier this spring, we know that this color was definitely the it color. Get yourself the sky blue color. I love the checkered look, the diamond shape. It looks very preppy. A little tight on the arms, not gonna lie. I mean, like, look at these muscles. Like, are you kidding? Are you trying to restrain my strength? Justice for strength. I'm pretty sure if I were, you know, a bra, my boobskis would be like so nice, so plump. But instead, they're like very long and dinky. Nothing's wrong with long, dinky boobers. Sometimes, honestly, it's a look. But like, I much prefer up here and not by my belly button. My stomach's carrying a lot already. You know, it doesn't really need to carry the weight of the titty bitties. Looks like I'm here to collect bags. Hey, you know, this could be a look. I did this on purpose. If you're tall, you gotta be a little careful back here. Don't you be bending over. Do it when it's necessary. JK. JK. Of course, because it's bodycon, it is laminating my stomach as if I'm a criminal and it's trying to find something. You found it all right. You see the pouch being stretched in this dress, especially with the checkered leg? It gets wider, it expands down here. But that's a plus. For those who have a booty, that means this part was expand for you, except mine kind of like scrunches in. That's okay though. I'm pretty sure you can make this look super hot because I believe in you. Oops. But no, honestly, this is how the dress looks on me, my body shape, an average stubby gal, 5 foot tall, 140 pounds, and a size 8 versus the model. Wow, look at you. Wow. Just kidding. She looks fucking hot. Next, okay. No. Here's the next top, and it's this retro stripe look. It looks like a Chucky top for like a 4-year-old. Tell me why this looks so small. Tell me why. Like, are we trying to restrict ourselves? As you guys can tell, I don't get a lot of tops that are horizontally striped. I can't afford to like wider. I'm a vertical girl. Ooh, rarely covers underneath the bra. Just shove my chesty besties into the resties. Okay, it's taking a lot of me want to like this. I do like the colors. I feel like preppy. I can't get over the fact that it makes my shoulders look so freaking broad. And then my chest is super wide. Are you okay? I look stuffy. On the bright side, because I am so much wider in my chesty bestie, it shrinks a little down here when you get to my waist. Overall, I do feel thickety chickadee because I am one. Like stuffy. I love this lime green with the retro mustard yellow and a burnt orange. Color palette is serving. I just don't know if the stripes are for me. But you know what? There are people out there who are insecure about looking a little bit too shruggy, linky. Go for a striped shirt. I mean, look at this. I am double my size. I am 2 of me right now. Okay, do not be afraid to expand your horizons. I just don't prefer it on my body, and that's completely valid. But yeah, so this is me, size 8, mid-size, big and stubby, versus the model. Damn. I mean, look, I'm feeling myself. I will say all the things in this haul is super freaking cute. Alright. I love flannels, especially if they're crop top like this. I discovered flannels like this through Lip Hop. They were cropped a little shorter. Flannels more, body shape a lot more. Cup flannels are cropped before it's gone. There are these ties. You just tie it behind, kind of cinch it to your body shape. Sometimes I think I'm a genie in a bottle. Crisscross applesauce and bring it around town. You could tie it here like that. Nope, looks weird. Maybe to the side. I forgot. Maybe like that. Whatever, just tie it, okay? I look stupid, don't I? Suck my dinosaur, it looks fine. Okay, fine, I get it. I probably am wearing this wrong, but I really do like it. First of all, the color. We love a maroon and blue flannel. I mean, I don't have anything in this color. I do like the idea that it cinches around. If I could figure out what to do with this rope. Again, freedom of choice. Be careful on the back fats, just shooting out. Does it look funny back here?
Hey, coming to you live. I accidentally stopped recording, and yeah, so I do really like this, highly recommend, except it's out of stock.
Next is this jacket. I just put on my own tank. It has netting inside. It's definitely a windbreaker. I just thought it'd be great on days where I just want to wear like a bralette or some type of bandeau, a tank with some shorts, because I have so much cheeks I need to give the world. I went with this navy blue because I feel like you can't go wrong with it. Look how freaking cute. It says Lip Hop on the side. Pretty bulky, not gonna lie. It's a lot thicker than I would have expected. I think this is super essential for the summer on days where you just kind of want to have something on, especially at nighttime. It looks sporty and like you're not trying too hard. We're like a simple tank top where it's gonna open your neckline more so you don't look so like smushed up. I really do like this cooling netting texture. It does feel a little like itchy, pretty long, covers my booty, so that's a plus for me. I don't know about you though, because I know you got legs. But yeah, has the little Lip Hop logo here to match the arm piece. The white lining stands out like you. This is it on me. On her. On us. Throw on some sneaks and you a good darling.
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle for sure. Make it wanna.
So this is a the last piece. It's a set, as you can tell. Wow. I don't know, I just freaking have so much energy and sense because I think they look so cute. This is in this Barbie pink look. It kind of crunches, English, please. It crunches up on my armpit folds. So that's not like the cutest. I do like the length of the sleeves. I love sleeves like this that goes up to my elbows because it hides like the freaking jigglies I have for my own comfort. It's pretty cool. However, it does make my arms look pretty short. I mean, if you think about it, if you look at it, but who really cares? Because you are short, besh. And then here are the joggers. They don't go up too high because like this prohibits that to happen. The hoochie eats it up down there. It's not too long. It's actually perfect length for me. I just love that it doesn't chunk up too much, although it does look a little bit Princess Jasmine down here right now. I mean, take it as you would. I wish I showed a little bit of my stomach to cut it up instead of looking like a freaking onesie on me. The material is this towel, beach towel. You pay for it, you might as well wear it, right? I mean, for far away, I do look a little bit like Patrick. I just look very sporty, but casual, but also like Mean Girl's mom. Okay, maybe I don't look that sporty. I look a little sleepy, like a little lazy. Like these do look like PJs. Nonetheless, I love it, if you can't tell. This me, that's my girl. Anyway, that is it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had a lot of fun. Let me know what other K-style hauls you guys want to see. And until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you try